Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. I'm Zoya Day, licensed esthetician, and this is Day's Beauty Room, your #1 source for professional skincare advice, product knowledge, and esthetician tips on YouTube. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and let's get started with today's video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about my favorite thing in the whole entire world, which is skincare. I'm going to be giving you 8 different tips that'll change your skincare routine for the better. So let's get started. So the first tip is something you probably hear estheticians say all the time, and it's because we swear by it. This has been proven to improve quality of skin and really protect the skin, and that's wear sunscreen. Not only does sunscreen protect against the sun's UV rays and skin cancers, it also helps prevent any sunspots and darkening of hyperpigmentation, which is why it is good for all skin types. Contrary to popular belief, yes, darker skin needs to wear sunscreen also. When looking for a sunscreen, you want to choose something that has broad spectrum or a multi-spectrum sunscreen. And so for tip number 2, you want to make sure you have a good skincare routine that is beneficial to your skin type. Now, the best way to find out your skin type is to see a professional, or you can watch my What's Your Skin Type video, which I'll have a link in the description box below, and that'll kind of help you understand what your skin type is and the best way to find out. So understanding your skin is really important when creating a skincare routine, because you don't want to be using products that don't benefit your skin type. So for instance, if you have oily skin, you don't want to use something that would continue to add oil to your skin, or something that would be for dry skin, because it's really not going to do anything but create more oil. So my skin tip number 3 is something you probably already know, and that is to stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is super important, not only for skin health but for your overall health. Now, if you have trouble drinking a gallon of water a day or 64 ounces of water a day, whatever the recommended amount is for your body weight, you can do things like infusing fruit in your water. I like to use things like strawberries, lemons, limes, mints, and that really helps to detox your organs and keep you hydrated, which in return will give you nice, glowing, clear, hydrated skin. So tip number 4 also plays a part in your overall health, and that is having a well-balanced diet. Now, I'm not going to sit here and push, being a vegan, vegetarian, or anything like that, but I do recommend getting a good amount of fruits and vegetables in your diet, because fruits and vegetables are loaded with good vitamins and antioxidants that'll really benefit the overall health of your skin. So having a well-balanced diet would include healthy fats like nuts, olive oil, coconut oil, avocados, fish like salmon are full of healthy fats that will benefit the skin. Tip number 5 is what makes estheticians cringe, and that is picking your skin. You definitely want to leave your skin alone when you have a breakout. You don't want to go picking or trying to extract the blemish on your own. Picking at a breakout can cause more irritation and transfer of bacteria, which will end up causing more breakouts or even a skin reaction, which pretty much adds to the problem. It can leave permanent scarring or pitting of the skin. So instead of picking the skin, you can either let it heal and do its thing on its own. 9 times out of 10, if it's just a breakout, it can either be hormonal or your skin is kind of going through a purging process and releasing toxins. You can use something like a spot treatment or a mask to treat the issue, but never, ever, ever pick your skin. So tip number 6 is to make sure you're changing your blankets, pillowcases, and sheets 1 to 2 times a week. For my natural queens, make sure you're changing or washing your bonnet 1 to 2 times a week as well, because your sheets and pillowcases will hold your natural oils, any dead skin that is shedding, if you're sweating in your sleep, hair, bacteria, your pillowcase will hold all of that. And if you're not changing it on a regular, you're putting all of that bacteria and dead skin skin back on your face every night, which will eventually start to irritate and break the skin out. So if you have an issue with body acne, try changing your sheets more frequently. So tip number 7 is to take your vitamins. So one of the ways we talked about getting vitamins is through fruits and vegetables, but sometimes it's hard to get in fruits and vegetables on a regular basis. I understand, life happens. Fruits and vegetables are expensive, trust me, I know. But when you are lacking necessary vitamins, it can cause your skin to be dry, flaky, and create a lot of skin concerns. So you can take things like biotin, collagen, vitamin E, even omega-3 pills because of the fatty acids. So tip number 8 is for all of my makeup wearers and makeup lovers, and that is to make sure you are cleaning your makeup brushes and changing out your old and expired makeup. I know it's hard to throw out makeup because it might have been a limited edition, something you just never got around to using, or the worst, which is it's discontinued. You definitely don't want to use makeup that is expired because over time the ingredients in the makeup have the tendency to break down after they have expired, which means they lose potency and can potentially cause infection when applied to the skin. And you definitely don't want to be using dirty makeup brushes on your skin because dirty makeup brushes hold old makeup, bacteria, dirt, oils, and dead skin, and you're just reapplying that on top of your face and wearing it 12 hours a day if you're wearing makeup all day, and that's just sitting in your skin. It's going to eventually cause irritation, breakouts, and might even cause bad reaction on the skin. So you want to make sure you're changing and cleaning your makeup brushes at least once or twice a week, depending on how often you're using them. So now you have a few more tips to help step up your skincare game. If you found this information useful, make sure you hit that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you want daily skincare tips and advice, head over to my Instagram where I'm constantly posting. I'm Zoya Day and this is Day's Beauty Room, and we will see you in my next video.